Hi, I'm Haley from Empress Wellness, and today we're going to tap into self-love and worthiness. If you've ever struggled with self-doubt, feeling like you're not enough, or settling for less than you deserve, this session is for you. EFT, or emotional freedom technique, helps reprogram old thought patterns by tapping on specific acupressure points while saying affirmations. It's like an energetic reset button for your mind, body, and emotions. Before we start, take a deep breath in and out. On a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being I feel completely unworthy, I feel worthless right now, and 0 being I feel really confident and loved, where would you rate yourself right now? Get your number, remember it, and by the end of the session, we're going to check back in, see how much has shifted, and all you have to do is follow along, repeat after me, and tap where I tap. Let's start with the first point, the karate chop point on the outside of the palm. Repeat after me. Even though I sometimes feel like I'm not enough, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I struggle to see my own worth, I am open to changing this belief. Even though I've doubted myself in the past, I choose to step into my power and love myself fully. Take a deep breath. Exhale out, and now let's move through the other points. Right above the eyebrows. I've spent so much time questioning if I'm enough. Side of the eye. I've let old stories and past experiences make me feel unworthy. Under the eye, on the cheek. Sometimes I doubt myself and think I need to be more, do more, or prove myself. Under the nose, just above the lip, I've looked for validation outside of me, hoping someone else would make me feel worthy. Chin. But what if I've been worthy this whole time? The collarbone just below it. What if I don't need to prove anything to be lovable and enough? Under the arm. What if I could release all the doubt and just love myself instead? Top of the head. I am open to the possibility that I am enough already, exactly as I am. Keep breathing. I am learning to see myself through loving eyes. I choose to release all the stories that tell me I'm not enough. I give myself permission to feel worthy just because I exist. I no longer have to chase love. I am love. The more I love and respect myself, the more others do too. I am rewriting my story. I choose to believe in my worth. I allow myself to fully receive love from myself and from others. I am worthy. I am enough. I am deeply and completely lovable exactly as I am. Deep breath in and out. One more time. Back to the karate chop point. Even though I've doubted myself before, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've struggled to feel worthy, I choose to believe in my worth now. I am safe to love myself. I am free to be myself. I am worthy of love just as I am. Big breath here and sigh it out. Now close your eyes and let's seal in the work you've just done. And I want you to imagine a warm golden white light glowing in the center of your chest. This is your heart energy, your life force, and your divine worth. Each inhale, this light expands, filling your entire body with love, confidence, and peace. And with each exhale, releasing any last traces of doubt, fear, or insecurity. You are whole, you are enough, and you are completely and deeply and unquestionably worthy. Now imagine a white light starting at the base of your spine, going up your whole spine, up over your head, and down the center of your face, down your throat, down your abdomen, and looping back to the original starting point at the base of your spine. Go ahead and open your eyes when you're ready. And this is where I want you to check in with yourself. With 10 being, I feel completely unworthy, and 0 being, I feel fully loved, confident, and worthy. If you are below a 2, that's great. You're done. If you are anything above a 2, you still need to work on that. And I highly encourage you to repeat this as many times as you need. Sometimes it takes 2 to 4 to get that number down. I thank you for tapping with me today. And if this session helped you, let me know in the comments, what was your biggest takeaway? Did you get some insight on something? Are you feeling better? Let me know. Be sure to check out my other videos for more EFT, acupressure, energy healing, and other holistic tips. I'm sending you all the love today and always. Until next time.